What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Right now I have a lot of cough mints. Okay, I know I showed you. Right now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do something really stupid. I'm gonna eat these if I can. There's 6 cough mints, and I'm gonna see if I can eat them in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And if I don't, then I'm gonna make a video tomorrow with my friends, and that's my punishment, because I don't know, because I'm always getting embarrassed by my friends. But tomorrow, if I don't finish this in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, then I'm gonna make a video tomorrow with my friends. And I was gonna say, please subscribe, and subscribe to Yahir Rodriguez and Neanderthal D Vlogs. They both helped me. They both told me to do videos, and subscribe to everybody, that all my friends, even Luis. He has a YouTube channel. And okay, so hold on, let me just get these open right now, and hold up. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna put them right here. That I'm not cheating. And I'm putting the timer right here too. So okay, hold on, guys. Oh my god, how do people tie this? Okay, there. Oh crap. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm too stupid. And oh my god, I don't even know how to open these guys. Alright, guys, this is the last minute. Alright. I have all the mints right here. Alright. And I have the timer on. Alright. So I'm gonna just start this in 3, 2, 1. It's so hard, bro. I can't even go through on them. You hear that? Ah, it's hurting my key. I can't talk right now, guys. It hurts. I need some water. Okay. Well, damn it. Hold on, guys. Let me just finish this. Ah. Ah. I finished it, guys. Oh my god. Guys, look at the time. 13. my mouth. Hold on. Alright. I'm gonna let the time stop. Three, two, one. Alright guys, I did it. If you guys want to see me gaming with Leandro, go and subscribe to my other channel, the Big V Vlogs, and this channel is, I don't know, but please subscribe to and leave a like if you guys want me to do another video. I'm gonna do another video tomorrow with my friends. I don't know, but I'm still gonna do it. My punishment was to eat. I have no idea. I'm probably gonna eat rotten stuff. That was my punishment, but a good thing that I finished the breath mint earlies. And these are all the bags. Alright, and alright, get out of here. Alright. So I'm gonna end the video there. Subscribe and like this video. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Leandro D Vlogs and my boy Luis. And my boy Don't Know and Leandro D Vlogs. So those are the people. And Yahir Rodriguez, I forgot about him. I'm sick, guys. I don't know why they did that. Alright, I don't know. See you guys in the next one. Peace.